Las Vegas, the city of lights. Welcome to another video from our Las Vegas series. Vegas is known for amazing hotels, and every time we visit Vegas, we make sure we are staying in a new hotel for a new experience. In this video, we'll talk about our experience staying at the Paris Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. The hotel ambience is amazing. Once you enter the hotel, it feels like you are transported to a new world altogether. The room was quite spacious, as you can see. Overall, I would say it was okay. I'll rate it 6 out of 10. But the view was amazing. Now, talking about the pros and cons of staying at Paris, Las Vegas. Number 1, the location is amazing as it's right in the middle of the strip. Number 2, it's close to everything, few steps away from great restaurants. Number 3, short and easy walk to other hotels, great parking and easy accessibility. And last but not the least, location-wise, this is one of the best hotels to stay on Las Vegas Strip. Talking about the cons, the hotel rooms are okay, not great, and you might hear outside music and sound during night, so be prepared for that. Apart from that, it was great and it's always fun to be in Vegas. We hope this information was useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.